So hey, what's up guys, and in this video I have the latest, not so latest but yeah, still the latest build of the aicp, which is the Android Ice Gold project. And this project is very amazing in terms of like stability right now, and in Nougat it is not stable as right now, but yeah, it is also one of the amazing and one of the feature rich custom ROM you can have right now. And it has very useful features, but there are some little Easter eggs which you won't know, or maybe you know. So first feature or Easter egg is this. So you can see a lot of sheeps are there, oh my god. And also this, which is very nice and very different from any custom ROM. You won't find this type of tweaks on any other custom ROM. Now first of all, it comes with a lot of features. As you can see, by opening them you get a lot of features. You get the Android P like animations, which are pretty choppy on the Oreo devices because the animation clashes between the Oreo and the Android P. So yeah, there's maybe clashes or glitches while using the Android P, but yeah, still it's present. So if you want to use it, you can have it. And this launcher is the launcher, as you can see, the version 2. So very amazing ROM. The battery performance is very nice. There's the same issue in this ROM because of the June patch. This ROM is having some security flaws, and by which you may not be able to use any banking applications, and which may happen. And also my subscriber has reported for this, so I'm telling about that. And there's a security warning which always gives after every reboot. So yeah, keep in mind, don't use any banking application or don't do any transactions. So yeah, this is not as so serious, but yeah, it's still a security flaw. Means you may get, or you may like yeah, your device is vulnerable, so you may get some issues. Now talking about the Wi-Fi and everything, it's working very fine. Only one time I've seen the Wi-Fi droppage. After that it's working very fine while playing the games even. So no issue with the Wi-Fi hotspot and the Bluetooth. So everything's seems to be working very fine. Also it comes with the custom themes, accent color, which is very nice, and ambient display, which is very basic. And it comes with the latest security patch of the June 5 security patches in LOS and LOS, which is Lineage OS based ROMs or Lineage OS ROMs having some security flaws. So yeah, maybe in July patch they will get fixed. So this is having the Excalibur kernel, because this is one of the best kernel you can have on the Lineage OS based ROM. So if you want the better battery life with very little performance or very great performance, I have to say, because the gaming was very nice with this. Because I have to install this ROM for 2 times, because at first there are some issues. One time it reboots automatically for a lot of times, so I have to reinstall the ROM and do every stuff again. But now it's working very fine and there is no issue right now, and there is no random reboot. So yeah, you can have this ROM from the description itself. So from my side, there's a thumbs up, and if you have any question, just comment down below. So that's it in this video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.